Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. Mission Earth. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr., November 22, 2019. We are here on the planet for a purpose, and that is to raise the density of Gaia Earth to a higher vibrational frequency we often talk of as the fifth dimension or heaven. Humans who are aware and awakened can join the ride to that higher frequency we all want and desire. It is not a place but a higher vibrational frequency, a time for us to understand. Latin Americans and Philippine citizens, the latter, one and only in Asia, have beliefs so enmeshed in their minds which are forced to their consciousness through daily repetition in religious rites and even on political concepts. People feel the sadness and feelings of loss due to the dense energies that remain in their consciousness that constitute more than a majority of the 7 billion population of the world. They are false beliefs, ideas and thoughts. Meditate, and allocate a time for total silence, and oneness with Mother's nature and Earth, and these acts work like a magnet, as energy radiates to people around you, starting awareness. The indigo children, and those newly born and young children, are undisturbed in their consciousness as they are natural portals of intense energies flowing to humanity, but can be infected as they grow. Release false beliefs, idle thoughts, false ideas, and unfounded concepts. Pure love, and doing acts for the highest good will spell the difference in our journey to oneness. Our creativity is strong, as we are at the fourth vibrational frequency. Spiritual acts of love, compassion, kindness and acceptance can be done with joy as you accept the happiness, success, even failure of your fellow human being, a routine part of our daily living that makes our lives interesting. Life without joy, even trials, are dull and boring. This is the light workers' mission, the reason why we volunteered on Earth at this powerful time of a shift, a radical change and evolution from the third dimension concepts of the past and the present, that tied all of us to separation and duality, that hindered our evolutionary growth. Intense energies, a backup energy source, overflowing Earth and humanity, are clearing all obstacles to awareness that allows us to relax at these beautiful moment of creation from Source, all that is. Source has more energies coming that placed a stop to the effects of dense and dark energies from influencing human beings and our mother planet Earth. The shift is now happening, and a lot of disclosures are coming from Source through messengers and even government leaders who hid these information for control of humanity. They come in new technology, free energy, graphene material, and light travel, our million years stay on Earth, and other beings from other worlds. What was hidden from us, like other beings, will be fully disclosed by our leaders, a happening that will open doors for much further awareness and awakening. That is our mission, and we assist humanity open their hearts and minds to the divine. Light and love from Angel V. Ornedo Jr., November 17, 2019. Light and love from Angel V. Ornedo Jr. NB1. Graphene, essentially, you pump your fuel from the atmosphere, and get electricity out of it. Geim said of University of Manchester, and verify the many uses that will be provided this material, 200 times stronger than steel. 2. This message/article has been disclosed since March 12, 2007 and rewritten today as the Arcturian Council/Scranton confirmed Source Energy Beings/Light Bearers mission on why we volunteered on Earth, and I feel the time is ripe. Light bringers assist to instill awareness to humanity of the shift. About the author, Angel teaches love, light and field of unity consciousness, assist with other funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates at sea/me and corporations creating jobs, share teachings everywhere, anywhere. Link at ornedojra@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Zlibris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator or ebooks and articles at the net.